This one for me, no?
This one, I want to extract, but then like this, no, I like this. No, that, no, okay.